Hello and welcome to Matt's Yard Maintenance. Today we're going to be digging out this pine tree stump with the B2601 with the BH-70 Backhoe. To kind of give you an idea on size, got about 9 inches, about right there, and down at the base we got about 1 foot. Alright guys, well that did it. Check it out. That's pretty big, huh? Try and take a measurement for you real quick. About 30 inches. Well, there you guys go. B2601 with a BH-70 backhoe. That's what we got done today. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to help me out a lot. Thank you guys very much.